Hey everyone, welcome to Greenlight. So today I'm unboxing iPhone 12 Pro and we're going to be talking about some settings that you might need to change as a filmmaker, and we'll put it together with some accessories that I purchased for my iPhone 12 Pro. We're going to get started right now. All right. So what you see here is a little GIF that I found on Google about all the stuff that's coming with iPhone 12 Pro and iPhone 12 Pro Max. They're one and the same. The only thing is, I believe the sensor's slightly bigger in when it comes to the camera sensor um, on the Max, but on the Pro it's just a little smaller because the phone itself is a little smaller. It says 6.7 screen on the Max and then 6.1 screen on the Pro. But what I love about this is that I get Pro everything and I don't have to compromise too much with the size and hurting my rig or not fitting in the rig at all. So that was the whole thing. And plus the Max is so huge coming from my iPhone 7. Let's bring myself up here. So you see I had my iPhone 7. This has 256 gigs, and we purchased this one too at Best Buy, and it's also 256 gigs. And I was trying to only get the iPhone 12, but my wife, actually, I wanted the iPhone 10, which is what she had, what she has, and she kind of pressured me into pushing and getting the new one because it was becoming such a pain just trying to get a refurbished iPhone 10 and put my SIM card in there and get it to work and all that. It just worked out better with a 12, and then it just ended up happening that all they had was the 12 Pro in 256 gigs, exactly what I wanted, and I wanted the this version with I believe this is the space gray. It's almost like the space gray, what it was for other models, I guess, what they used to call it. But basically, it comes with you got the charger right here, USB charger, and you have let's see, it comes with its sticker and a little explanation. I guess it's like a little manual thingy, I guess maybe, and then for your SIM card, little thing for your SIM card. But it used to come with like the brick and everything like that. I believe it came with like a brick a while back, and then now it only comes with just the USB itself. So that's because of the iPhone 13 is gonna be without the USB cord. So they're kind of working their way to that. Emission is what they're trying to call it, and basically save energy and size and all that stuff in the trucks and all that stuff. But basically with the phone, I'm just trying to keep the microphone distant from the phone because the phone is just giving a little bit of static there. But basically you see it's more or less the same like the iPhone 11 Pro, just like the sensor and everything is just taking it up a lot more. It does night mode a lot more, and then you have your wide angle lens right here, and then you have your telephoto, and then you have your ultra wide next to your LiDAR sensor. And the LiDAR sensor is something that I want to use a lot with augmented reality and everything like that, and use a lot of 3D space. I just downloaded Unreal Engine, and that was a big program. I had to delete stuff and kind of just like clean out the computer a little bit for that. And then I have Blender that I've been working with for a while and learning 3D with that. But I'm working into Unreal Engine, and this LiDAR sensor is going to be phenomenal for it. So stay tuned with that on this channel. So make sure you hit the like button on this video, and make sure you hit the subscribe button so you know more about these type of videos, because I'm gonna be doing this type of stuff all the time, especially talking about Unreal Engine. So, and then this is my case that I purchased on Amazon, and they gave me a nice little card and everything like that with them. So I'm gonna put their Cordking I believe. It's rubbery, and then it's soft inside, and then it has like a hardening in sections that it's supposed to be in. But this is already aluminum, not aluminum, but like it's aluminium or something. It's strong metal. I forget what it's called exactly, but it's not necessarily a review here on this channel. I never usually get like the latest phone at the time that everybody gets it, or the time of the year that it comes out. It took me a couple months already to get it anyways, but I was hesitant for some reason. I didn't think I deserved it maybe, but it's all good. Now it hooks up to my rig and everything like that, and you can check it out at the after this video. There's another video coming out soon this week, so hit the notification bell for that. And then I got a little pop thing here. So what it does is like a pop stand, and I lined it up with the camera so that so it's like almost like a little tripod and everything like that. And I got a little Back to Future Delorean here, the blueprint of the Delorean, and then inside in the middle you see the flux capacitor. So shout outs to Back to Future fans out there. So if you like this type of stuff, don't forget to hit the like button on this video, and hit the notification bell. Another really cool thing is I got that my wife got me was this Jovanni written Jovanni AirPods. So it's gonna go well with my phone and doing live stuff for this channel, and as well as doing videos in general with my iPhone 12. So it kind of steps up the whole production in general. So stay tuned for all that. Hit up one of these videos, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button so you know about the next video about my iPhone 12 cinema rig setup, so you can find out more about that and look at how it looks like together and all that. So stay tuned for that, and I'll see you next time. Later.